everyone. Today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how you can use the new cloning feature on the travel agent dashboard. So as you can see, I've already logged in and I'm going to quickly click on view self-created itineraries, which will give me a list of all the itineraries that have been created in the past. So what I want to do now is I want to clone an Almora Nainital Delhi tour template. So the first thing I want to look at are the location nights, because everything else is editable when you use the cloning feature except the location nights and the mail plan. So this tells me that Almora has one night, Nainital has one night, and Delhi has 2 nights. I'm fine with that, so I'm going to click on the cloning icon right here. So cloning has been initialized, as you can see. So now you will notice everything, the entire itinerary has been recreated as is except the travel date. So I'm going to select the travel date as per the next tour, which is, let's say, 30 Delhi. Everything will be as is. So hotels are also appearing as in the case of the last itinerary. I can change it if I like, but I'm going to stick to the same hotels. I'm going to leave the number, change the number of passengers to 2, and once I'm done, I click on book now. So this brings you to the itinerary details screen. First thing you will notice in this page is the day plan is exactly the same as was in the old itinerary. I can always make changes to this if I like, and once I'm happy, I just click on save day plan, and the remaining process remains the same. I just input the number, send the mail from here. I hope this helps bring down the activation time. Thank you.